Welcome to Sardar Patel Education Campus, located in the heart of Milk City of Gujarat, spreading over 5 acres of land and featuring several technical and non-technical courses with the world-class facilities and amenities. Introducing Sardar Patel College of Pharmacy. It is approved by Pharmacy Council of India and All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi. It is affiliated to Gujarat Technological University. In the college, we provide vast collection of national and international books, reputed pharmacy journals in the library, helping to excel the students in their academics. We provide best laboratories for the hands-on training for the students for the deep learning. It is crucial for the pharmacy students to have required set of practical skills. We provide students with fully equipped lab and essential analytical equipments. Sardar Patel College of Pharmacy aims to provide best possible learning environment to our students. We provide a blend of traditional and modern teaching. We facilitate students with a team of talented and experienced faculties who guide the students and encourage them in every stage of their development and cultivate their passion into career. At Sardar Patel College of Pharmacy, we have student-centric approach of learning. We assure the best teaching learning process with maximum interaction. We provide best platform for the students to inculcate the sense of professionalism in them. We train students to be competent enough to meet the ever-increasing needs of industries and academia. We had also placed facilities for indoor and outdoor sports where students can generate a special sense of sportsmanship and can learn teamwork outside the classrooms. Along with excellent academic exposure, we create a campus atmosphere where students feel like home and comfortable. In our institute, we strictly follow all the government guidelines of COVID-19. Proper sanitization and thermal scanning of all the students are being done before entering the college. Students at Sardar Patel College of Pharmacy are not just shining academically, but in the other arenas too. They get an opportunity to get the real-world experience in the field of pharmacy. In our institute, we equip students with the correct exposure to excel in the career and to live the dreams. It is a place where students develop their creativity, practice their curricular skills, and immerse themselves in a learning experience every day. We celebrate various festivals. It's an expressive way to celebrate glorious heritage, culture, and traditions of our country and keep us connected with our roots and relieve us from the monotony of life. It gives us sense of cultural unity and brings positivity all around. We organize industrial tours, impart guidance, training for foreign internships and placement for students.
Welcome to Sardar Patel Education Campus. It's my privilege and pleasure to welcome you all at Sardar Patel College of Pharmacy, managed by Tirupati Foundation Trust. We have flourished under dynamic and able leadership of our Honorable Chairman, Shri Girish Patel Sir, and our Secretary, Shri Sheetal Patel Sir. We believe in enriching and exciting academic sessions for our students with 100% coverage of the syllabus. Not only that we believe in academics excellence, but also we believe in holistic development of our students with high moral and ethical values. We take utmost care of our students from their entry to exit, means from their admission to their placement out of the campus. At present, our alumni are also enjoying best of their positions in India and abroad on their career path. We would like to thank you for providing us with this wonderful opportunity of shaping up of your career. Thank you.